Hey, James Hood with James Hood Guitar Repair here. We have a bass that came in here just recently, and the guy was having an issue with it shorting out every time he'd put the rear cover on. So we looked into it, and we thought that maybe after poking around here, what we found was a couple cold solder joints. So we fixed those, and we were still having the same issue. So I had to dig a little bit deeper, and I wanted to share with you what I found. Check it out. Okay, so I have the bass here. I don't really need to talk about the brand of bass because you see a lot of this type of sprayed-in shielding on a lot of instruments. The problem that I found was that you can see the flakes right here. So the shielding was flaking off, and the issue was this pot right here. So these are the two terminals where I was having issues. Resoldered those, and after doing that, we didn't see any improvement like we thought we would. So what I found was, after I pulled the pot up, these gray flakes that you see on the inside, this right there, I put them on the base. You can actually see them. That's the shielding flaking away. That was underneath of the pot. So what was happening was that as we would push on the ears, the bottom of the pot right here, where the ears are connected, would make contact with the shielding that was loose and flaking up and short this pot out. So once I removed the pot and cleaned all that up, voila, it worked just fine. So it's just something to keep in mind when you're doing electronics work. More later, jameshoodguitar.com.